Yo, so I guess a lot of people did keep that same energy with the Air Jordan 1 Wash Black. Still a super clean colorway, but it is a lot of sizes sitting all on your foot sites, even on the Nike sneakers app, which I was a bit confused by. You guys know usually they just with that fake sellout, the next couple hours they start popping sizes back up, but these things are sitting all on the Nike sneakers app. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. Today we're gonna be talking about the Wash Black Air Jordan 1s that we just got today. You guys know the retail tag was $180, and I think that's a lot of people's probably shying away from these. And also a lot of people have been expressing in my videos, I've been talking about Jordan 1s, they just tired of all the colorways we have been getting from Jordan Brand, the constant back-to-back drops. And a lot of people say, you know what, I'm passing on these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks. I'm waiting on the UNC toes. But before we get any further with today's video, man, if you guys are new, right now what I need y'all to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. These next couple videos, man, we got some early for you guys. I know you guys are gonna be excited. Me, myself, I'm excited to see the sneakers. I haven't even unboxed them yet, but I know these joints is definitely gonna be some heaters. I know these two pairs is definitely something a lot of you guys will be eyeing later on this year, man. Like I said, stay tuned by subscribing, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video. Let's go ahead and get this video up to 500 likes. We talking about the most current sneakers, the Wash Blacks, the Air Jordan 1s. You gotta love them. Me, myself, I do. Let's go ahead and get into the rest of this video. All right, guys, check them out. We have the Wash Black Air Jordan 1s, man. I really do like this colorway. You guys see you got that washed out black look all on the upper of the sneaker, and they hit us with that off-white midsole on these guys. Really what made me want the sneaker a lot more when they contrast that white with that midsole with being aged. You guys know that aged midsole is really what's been trending for Nike lately. They threw it on a couple of our past Air Jordan 1s and they've been running with it, and they know we love that aged midsole. They even gave us a cool box of these joints right here. Not the standard black and red Air Jordan 1 box we usually get. We got this nice gradient black and gray Air Jordan 1 box right here. The official colorway on these joints is black, fire red, and white. And like I said, I got these joints in the size 9.5, and I've had these for so long now. Shouts out to the homie Bird Kicks. You also got some black laces that did come with these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks. I didn't have to buy any extra laces. They threw in the extra laces in there. A lot of people told me to switch out the white with the black, and I'm still leaning with the white laces a little bit more. That's just my opinion. But you guys let me know which way you're going to be lacing your joints up with the white laces or the black laces. And I seen the homie Jay, he even threw some pink laces in there. I thought that joint was super fire. So the reason I titled this video like that, I told you guys do not pay resale yet for these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks because they sitting. It's, everybody can see it. It's not a secret. I'm kind of surprised that they are sitting, given the fact that, you know, it's not that many sneakers dropping in June. Maybe like I said, when I dropped the video talking about Jordan 1s being dead, nobody is really feeling the colorways that Jordan Brand are coming out with. But I thought they was moving in the right direction with this Wash Black colorway. And like I said, next month we do have the UNC toes. I know you guys are probably already tired of seeing them, man. The Air Jordan 1 Palomino, super crispy. We'll be getting these, and I think September the 2nd it is. And with these Air Jordan 1 Wash Black sitting, you don't have to go out there paying retail plus taxing plus shipping, given the fact that they might be in a Nike store near you or marked down in a lot of your foot stores in your local mall. I went in the Snipes the other day and I seen the Skyline Air Jordan 1s. They were already going for $50 under retail. And the Air Jordan 1 Skyline's kind of, you know, just released, you know, last month time frame, and they already marked down $50. And if you want your bang for your buck and you really do like the Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks, you can save a lot of money on these bad boys right here. I remember back in the day, man, when Air Jordan 1s, it was no getting them for retail, especially during that COVID time frame, or even a little bit before the pandemic. We was getting a bunch of dope Air Jordan 1 colorways, and it seemed like they were so unobtainable, they were so hard to cop. And now we come to 2023, and you can literally walk into the mall right now and see probably 3 or 4 Air Jordan 1s sitting on the wall. Like I said, I seen the Skyline Air Jordan 1s sitting. I seen those elephant print Air Jordan 1s sitting. And I feel like it was another pair, but I know that these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks will be next to them Air Jordan 1s I just mentioned very soon. I forgot to ask you guys, who copped a pair of these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks? Please let me know down below in the comment section. And if you did pass on them, man, let us know why down below in the comment section, because I know a lot of people will be coming to this video getting difference of opinions, reading the comments, seeing, you know, if they should cop them, if they should wait. And me personally, I recommend you guys to wait. Nonetheless, this is a super fire Air Jordan 1 colorway in my opinion. Like I said, I do love the hits. I love that red Nike Air on the tongue, kind of contrasting it well with all the dope colors they did throw on this Air Jordan 1. But hey man, if you can get them for under retail, why not wait to snag them? The leather quality is really good on these Air Jordan 1s, and overall quality control wasn't bad at all. So that's why I'm a little, you know, stunned, a little puzzled. Like, yo, I don't know how these joints didn't sell out. I ain't trying to hype them up or nothing like that, but I do honestly think this is a solid Air Jordan 1 in my opinion. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section, man. Were you not feeling this Air Jordan 1? Are you waiting for the UNC toes? Are you waiting for the Palominos? Or are you just over Air Jordan 1s in general? I cannot wait to see you guys' comments down below. I'm gonna be sure to leave you guys some B-roll and a portion of on feet of these Air Jordan 1 Wash Blacks, and I'm gonna drop the full review and on feet that I did months ago down below in the description box. So like I said guys, don't pay resale yet, just wait a little bit, get them for under retail if you can. And this is definitely not an Air Jordan 1 that's gonna creep up in the resale value. They're gonna be sitting right around retail, if not under retail, for quite some time. So like I said, save some money, save your ducats, and walk into one of these local malls one day and get these things for way under retail. I'm telling you guys. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to today's video. Like I said, if you are new, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. We want to get every single video up to 500 likes. And it's a good Saturday, so go ahead and share some love. Smack that like button for your boy. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into another video for your boy, The Vintage. And with all this being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave away. No, it's niggas that count the days till I fade away. But you know I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid. I'm on target for a major play. Used to waste the day away. She hit me to say I'm on her mind, but my commitment to the game got me OT till I OD and then I fade away. Lately I've been giving down tones and meeting milestones. No way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, need you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, I got here off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on